Hi there, I'm Camille and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am giving you a little mini review on JVN Hair from Queer Eye's Jonathan Van Ness. I tried out his shampoo and conditioner from his new hair care line. These are the Embody products for volumizing. But before I get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss an update. Reviewing today the Embody Shampoo and Embody Conditioner from JVN Hair. These products are for volumizing and they are made with hemi-squalene. They're silicone free, they're sulfate free, they're color safe, and they're also vegan. I wasn't sure what hemi-squalene is, and all of JVN Hair products contain this, so I am reading this directly from the JVN Hair website so that I don't mess this up. It says, this breakthrough molecule is able to penetrate the hair shaft, providing weightless nourishment that helps hair's manageability while reducing frizz and preserving color. In terms of price point, his shampoos and conditioners are $18 and you get 10 fluid ounces. And that's sort of comparable to an Amika hair care or a Verb hair care in terms of price and price per ounce. All right, so for this review of JVN Hair Care Embody Shampoo and Conditioner, I made sure that I actually did not style my hair. This is just what it looks like after a rough dry. There are no other products in my hair other than the Embody Shampoo and the Embody Conditioner. So starting with the shampoo, it is a clear formula and I pump 2 pumps into my hand and my hair definitely feels clean. What I like about it is even though it has that clean feeling, it doesn't feel overly dry or over stripped. And sometimes I feel like my scalp can actually get kind of dry depending on which shampoos I use. So my hair feels nice and clean, but I can still feel that hydration in there, probably from that hemi-squalene ingredient. All right, so on to the Embody Conditioner from JVN Hair. This is a white creamy formula. I used 2 pumps on my hair, which is in line with the amount of conditioners I use from other brands. I will caveat just before we get into this review that obviously I have bleached blonde ends. So in general, the ends of my hair are a little bit drier than the rest of my hair, and they always need a little TLC. I do feel like this conditioner from JVN Hair absolutely hydrated my ends. I don't think that it is like the best conditioner in the world, but obviously since the ends are brighter, I naturally need to either hydrate once a week with a mask or add in some hair oil. So overall, I did really like this, especially if you don't have blonde ends and you have darker hair. I think that this is a great conditioner option. The thing that I absolutely love the most about using these products is that normally when I get out of the shower, I have to use a detangling spray, and I did not have to do that with these JVN hair care products. I just got out of the shower and took my comb through, and I think that that's part of that hemi-squalene. It said that it's moisturizing and whatnot. So that was a pleasant surprise, not having to use an extra product with that detangling spray out of the shower. Also, the smell of these products is so delightful. I would describe as like an elevated herbal essence in a good way. There are notes of jasmine and sandalwood. It's not too feminine, it's not too masculine, and it sort of goes along with his philosophy that this is hair care for everybody. I mentioned earlier in this video that this is just a rough dry, and the only products that I used for my hair today are the JVN Hair Embody Shampoo and Conditioner. I have pretty dense hair and it's naturally wavy, but I wanted you to see kind of its genuine state after getting blow dried. And for me, this is much less frizz than I normally get. And I think that it's because of that hemi-squalene ingredient, especially because one of the benefits is that it's less frizzy. Normally when I blow dry my hair, like this whole part is like, so I feel like for me, this is actually my favorite benefit of using this shampoo and conditioner. I also feel like there is a little bit of boost at my roots right here without being like too puffy or too much. I really like both of these products from JVN Hair. Again, it's the Embody collection, the shampoo and conditioner. They are volumizing hair care products. I think that both of these are really great options if you want quality hair care, but you don't want to pay the hefty salon hair care price. I definitely love whatever that hemi-squalane ingredient is that is in here. And I definitely saw the difference when I blow dried my hair. It reduced frizz, it kept everything nice and soft. And of course, because this is a volumizing shampoo and conditioning collection, there was a little bit of boost at the roots of my hair. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Embody Shampoo and Conditioner from JVN Hair. Go ahead and hit that like button below and make sure you subscribe so that you never miss an update. Bye!